You've all heard of a last word, let's make a Pete's word. We're starting off with 3/4 of an ounce of maraschino liqueur, 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice, 3/4 of an ounce of green chartreuse. If you're having a hard time finding green chartreuse, I made a video with 3 really nice alternatives, and I'll list them down below in the description. And 3/4 of an ounce of an Islay Scotch. 2 drops of saline to help balance out all those flavors. Add your ice and shake. Before I pour my cocktail, I'm going to atomize my glass with absinthe, and this little device you see is an oil atomizer. Let's finish off this cocktail with a cherry.